Hello friends, today I am going to discuss you three different operation on the database. First one is display operation, insertion operation and deletion operation on the database using PHP and PostgreSQL. First of all, I want to remind you, I sincerely advise you to go through previous videos step by step which were discussed. The logical steps will help you to understand much better on what we are discussing here right now. Here is a image of images of laptop. The file is laptop.html. The prices of laptop are the HP 75,000, Dell 70,000 and Lenovo 55,000. Here quantity is there and checkbox is there. Why checkbox is there? Because someone might select HP laptop, someone might select Dell laptop, someone might select Lenovo laptop. We are not guaranteed that everyone will select HP laptop or Dell laptop. Multiple values are coming from the that's why we are taken checkbox. We will see first of all the HTML file. Here laptop.php file has been used, which is located on the server. We want to perform different operation on this file, and this is HTML file which is front end tool. Now post method is used since you want to perform secure communication. If you want to broadcast the information, you can use get method. If you want to pass secure information, you can use post method. Since here p checkbox is p array, p is taken as array because user might select multiple laptops, so multiple values are coming. Since multiple values are coming, we need to store multiple values in the database, in the array. That's why we have taken p as array. Now submit button is used. Submit button is send the data to the server. Now we will see the PHP file. Since first step is we want to perform different operation on the database, so first thing is that we need to connect to the database. That's why here localhost has been written, host localhost, because my database is here on laptop only and my PHP is also there on laptop only. That's why I taken it as localhost. If my PHP is located somewhere and database is located somewhere, then I need to type the IP address. ESET function is used. ESET function is used to perform, if the value is set, then the if below part will be executed. If the value is not set, the below part will not be executed. We will see, but by example I will show you. Now if I select nothing and I will press the send button, then nothing is displayed. So that is the use of ESET function. That is the use of ESET function. Now $post is used because your request is coming from HTML to the web server Apache, and from web server it is going to the PHP. That's why it is a global array $post. It is taken in square bracket. That is a part of Apache. Apache is a web server, is a very popular web server. Now array is taken, blank array. In PHP, array is created by using array function. Quantities, these are initially assigned to 0. For each, when key value pair is used, we use for each statement. Since we are having here key value pair, we use for each statement. Now ch if is equal to is a double equal to HP, then array push. Array push first array AR. AR will store all the laptop prices. Then $B array. $B array will store the calculations. Quantity part will be stored in $B, and $C stand for quantity, means 1 quantity, 2 quantity, 3 quantity. That part will be stored in $C. So similar, all these things are similar. Now implode. Implode function is used to convert array into string. Remember that we have seen in HTML file that we are selecting multiple values in the checkbox. Since multiple values are coming, that means it is the array part and we need to convert it into string. That's why we are storing it in using implode function to convert it into string. That's why 1 2 3 4 implode function are used to convert it into string. Now here insertion operation is performed on the database using insert function of the database. Insert into bill5 is the name of the table. Now since we want to execute the query of the database, we need to perform the pgquery function. We need to perform the pgquery function to execute the query, and this is the one insertion operation. Now we will see the display operation. Select star from bill5. We will see the display operation of the array. Here pgfetch array function is used. Pgfetch array function is used to display the array in tabular format, and since it is a index array, that's why we are using 0 row, 0 1, 0 2, 0 3. Okay, up to 0 5. Now here delete function is also used to perform the delete operation on the database. So we have seen insertion operation, display operation and delete operation. Now we will see the database. Here the name of table is bill. Now we will, since bill5, here item 11 is taken as enum data type, because since we are user is selecting multiple values, that's why we need in database also we need an array to store the values. Since rate is used, because rate is performed different thing, so different values are coming from the rate, that 75,000 of HP laptop, 70,000 of Dell laptop. That's why also rate is also taken as enum and quantity is also taken as enum. We will see here item 11 is taken as enum data type, rate is also taken, quantity is also taken as enum data type, all 4 items, amount is also taken as enum data type, because multiple values are coming from PHP and we need in database array to store the multiple values. Only total is taken as integer. Now we will see the actual operation of the program. Here I select HP laptop and Dell laptop, quantity 1 and quantity 1. Now I will submit the, now HP Dell laptop 75,000, 70,000, quantity 1 and total is 1,45,000. Now I will select another part. Now I will select Lenovo quantity 2. Lenovo quantity 2. Okay. Now I will delete the record 5. That means Lenovo laptop. Now only 4 record has been displayed. First, second, 4. Okay. Otherwise, we will do one thing. We will again perform this operation. We will buy 75,000 HP laptop 1, Dell laptop 1 and Lenovo laptop 1. Okay, now HP Dell, now I will delete this laptop where only all the 3 laptops are purchased. I will delete that record. Okay, only 3 records are there, that means it has been deleted. Okay, so that means we have performed delete operation, we have performed display operation, and we have performed insertion operation on the database using PHP. Thank you.